Hello everyone, welcome back in the online classes. Today I am going to teach you moral science of class 8th. Before holidays I have completed chapter number 1 and 2 with their exercises and question answers. So today I am going to teach you chapter number 3, which is on page number 16 of your book. So for better understanding you can open your book. So first of all, I am giving the explanation of this chapter, and after that in next video I will give the question answers of this chapters. So here is your chapter. Chapter number 3, Rewards of Patience. So in this chapter, what is given? First of all, I am giving a short concept about this chapter. In this chapter about patience and the rewards of patience are told by the writer. They told that the ant is having the more patience. Look at a spider weaving its web or a bird building its nest, and you will know what perseverance is. It means the writer is saying that ant and spider is having lots of patience. How they are having patience? It's very easy. Have you ever seen any ant? They always climb to the wall. They fall, again they climb to the wall. They fall, again they climb to the wall. It means they are having lots of patience. Like this spider, again and again spider can always make their net. If the net is broken, then again spider can make their web, and they never lost their patience. So unfortunately, mankind, in its quest for more comfort and greater mastery over the planet and its inhabitant, has lost the gift of patience. We know that mankind is the best gift on the earth, or you can say that mankind is the best thing on the earth, or having the most appropriate brain. You can say most appropriate brain. But one thing is less in the human beings, and that thing is the patience. Patience for man is to make efforts, work hard and endeavor dedicatedly, and not be in a hurry to reap rewards and receive returns. Every good deed earns a benefiting reward, but in its own time. It is also a saying in the Gita. We always say that कर्म करो but फल की इच्छा मत करो. ठीक है, like that this saying is perfect in the context of the patience. It means we always do work hard dedicatedly. We do our work, but sometimes we are impatient about the rewards. Sometimes we are in hurry, but every good deed earns a reward. This is the law of the nature, that every good deed earns a reward, but we are not having the patience. We need instant results. Instant returns leads to disappointment and disillusionments. But if we are in hurry, then definitely there is a disappointment. There is a one saying also that sabr ka phal meetha hota hai. So though pushing you towards, but these disappointments or disillusionment about the returns leads us about the anxieties, sometimes antisocial behavior. Recent case you can take an example of the Sushant Singh Rajput. Because of the he always does the hard work, but now he fails because his patience is losing. Slowly his patience is losing, and he wants the rewards immediately. After some time he got the reward, but because he loses his patience, that's why he committed suicide. So this is not good for us. We have a patience. Our patience levels should be high. The two most powerful warriors to battle the challenges of life are patience and perseverance. This is very important, that for the battle of the life, we need two types of weapons means hathiyar. We need two types of weapons, that is patience and perseverance. And this chapter is about the patience and perseverance. So I am starting the chapter, and you can see in the book, but I am giving you the overview of the whole story. Okay, I am not explaining line by line, I am only giving the overview of the story. There is a story in which the Hari Balu was a software programmer. He had everything that a youth of 22 could ask for. He is just only of 22, and at this age he is having good job, also a supportive family, and bright future ahead of him. But Hari was dissatisfied. He is not happy. He could not wait for big time success to come him. He wants the success in the less time. He wants the success in less time. He wanted it now. But patience was not his forte, and his impatience to get to the top cost him not only his career but also landed him on the wrong side of the law. He he wants success in a very early time, but it is not possible. So attaining this success, he committed some illegal work. That's why his career spoils and landed him on the wrong side of the law. So here is the story. Hari Balu started dumbfounded at the men who sat before him. It was just another day at work for Hari at Logix. Logix is the name of the company where the Hari Balu was software programmer, and he is working there since last 2 years. He was a software programmer specializing in embedded system, and he was a software developer or software programmer in that company in Logix. So, and was presently assigned to product development assignment with applications in mobile telephony. This man had been calling him earlier to discuss a freelance project involving big time money. Hari had put the meeting off, citing busy schedules, but the man had persisted. Hari had called him over to his office just out of curiosity. One day, a man called the Hari and he asked him to meet. But Hari is busy. His schedule is very busy, but the man insists him that please meet me. So after office, Hari just called him for the curiosity. He had no idea about how a relative newcomer to the profession like him could be of interest to anybody. Hari was thinking that he is the newcomer in the business. What is the work that man is having to him? So for a curiosity he called him. But he don't know that a big time money was what appealed to him. So the name of that person who called the Hari is Mr. Austin. Hari mumbled wonderingly, "You are offered me $10 million to hack into the defense system." Actually, Mr. Austin offered him $10 million. $10 million. For what they are offering the $10 million? They are offering the $10 million for hacking the defense system. डिफेंस सिस्टम ऑफ द कंट्री. डिफेंस सिस्टम यू नो ना, डिफेंस सिस्टम मीन्स जिस पर आर्मी एंड सारे वेपन्स, ये सारी की सारी डिटेल होती है. आर्मी डिटेल्स एंड वेपन डिटेल्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन दैट डिफेंस सिस्टम. So that Mr. Austin wants to hack the whole defense system of the country, and they want to access the information on the country's missile program for you, and mainly they need the information about the missiles of the country. The man nodded calmly. Yes, Mr. Balu, we have researched your background a lot, and you could be our man. He said that we have already know about you, so you are the man who can do this work easily, and you need not your system for doing this work. You need not your computers for doing this work, or your personal ones to do the job. We will provide you an unmarked one with Wi-Fi connectivity having a pseudo signature ID. That Mr. Austin said to him that we give you Wi-Fi also, its password, and computers also. You need not to use your own computers and your own Wi-Fi system, so that you cannot be reached by the police or anyone else. So absolutely non-traceable for at least 15 days. And he said these Wi-Fi connections are absolutely non-traceable by the police for 15 days, even after the access has been detected. And by that time we will have leaving no trail, and after that we will detailed, or we will delink that ID by which you will hack the computer systems. So Hari had always been a bright student. Hari was a very bright student, and he was a dreamer. Actually, he have done his bachelor's or his BTech in computer science, and now he wanted to do MBA, and he want to do the job in the top positions, but his family could not afford the expenses of the MBA, so he choose to do a job. And he is also having the two younger sisters. His father had retired from his job as a government teacher, and the family had come upon hard times. It means they are having the lack of money. That's why he is doing the job. Otherwise he want to do the MBA, but due to the personal circumstances and personal reasons, he is doing the job. Now Hari was in hurry, but circumstances had dictated otherwise. His job at Logix was not bad at home. His job is not bad. He is getting the good package from the Logix, but he is in hurry. He wants the more money, and it was the waiting that irked Hari. It would take him at least 5 to 8 years. Now he was thinking at his home, if I have to do this hacking or not. He is thinking that it will take 5 to 8 years to go into the middle management, and then 10 years to go onto the top management. And he said that it will take 10 years to go on the top management, but if I got that 10 million rupees which the Mr. Austin was offering, then I can own my company. By that money I can own my company, and in a very shorter span of time, and I think I will be successful in the overnight. मीन्स मैं एक रात में ही सक्सेसफुल बन जाऊंगा. ही थॉट ऑफ गूगल एंड फेसबुक एंड द फेम एंड वेल्थ दैट केम टू देयर फाउंडर्स. नाउ ही इज टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फाउंडर्स ऑफ फेसबुक एंड गूगल दैट दे आर द one night heroes. It means in one night they got the success. So he was thinking like that, but but he didn't have the money to translate his dream into reality. If only he had the capital. So he is saying, for this dream, for his own company, he needs the money. Now he was having the chance. He thought, as he scrutinized the man before him, if he accepted the offer that man, that he will be successful in the very less time. So he knew he could do the job. It was not easy, and it was almost amounting to high treason. The target was the country's top defense research organization, and the missile program was its most valued project so far. Would he be compromising state secrets? Now he is thinking that it is the matter about the country's defense system. So would it be correct to play with this defense system? Now he is thinking. He reasoned that he wondered and put the thought aside as quickly. It would not make any difference. He reasoned with himself. Most aspects of missile technologies are already in the public domain, and even the complex parts are known to many rugged states over the globe. Now he thought that I have to hack the missile system. But about the missile system, many of the countries known previously about the technology of the missile, and the many parts of the missile technologies are known by the many countries precisely. So missiles were no longer the cutting edge of technological research. It means he was thinking that nothing is special in the missile, because already many countries knows about this. So he thought about the $10 million, and he accepted the offer of the Mr. Austin. I would need your guarantee that the information will not be leaked to terrorist groups anywhere in the world. And he said to Mr. Austin, is this information is leaked to the terrorists? Mr. Austin said, no. Only remaining burden on his conscience. He knew there could be no such guarantee, but he had to state the condition nevertheless. Mr. Austin didn't give the Mr. Austin given did the guarantee about that. Now, Mr. Balu, I do not subscribe to any terrorist agenda. He said, no terrorist agenda is there. You only do your work. It is only just for global platforms. Now, that was not his concern. I will set up my own business. Now he is looking forward. Only the one thing that is in the mind of Hari Balu is the money. He wants only money for his own company. So now Hari gives his acceptance. I will need half the amount as down payment and the rest when I hand you over the information. He said, I need the half of the amount before doing the work, and the half amount I will take after doing the work. Make the payment legitimately. As for services outsourced to a registered firm abroad, the country does not matter. Hari was not greenhorn at this game. He needed the money in white, accountable and proper. Now he want the money not in black, but he want the money in white, accountable. It means he wants the money in his account. Excellent, Mr. Balu. That is the way it will be, gushed the man. After few days, Hari got the 25 crores. Hari got the 25 crores and spent nights hacking into the target systems. He broke the codes on the sixth day. On sixth day he broke the code. It means he hacked that defense system, and it took 2 sessions of 3 hours each to glean the information Austin needed. After 2 hours he got all the information from that defense system which the Mr. Austin needs. On the 10th day he handed over the CDs for appraisal, and the next day got another 25 crore. Now he give all the information about the defense system in the CD after 10 days, and next day he got the another 25 crore rupees in his account. It was a year after Hari had launched his own IT company. After a year he launched his own IT company. that Austin was arrested from his office in Atlanta, Georgia, USA by the Interpol. Now CID Interpol arrested that Mr. Austin from the Georgia, Atlanta, USA. He was charged with conspiracy to pass on highly classified technological know-how to an enemy country. Actually, he has transferred some important information, and that information is defense system information, which is given by the Hari Balu to him. The sources were unraveled, and soon, under sustained interrogation, Austin broke down and sang like a parrot. In starting, the sources don't know about the Hari Balu. That it means they don't know who gave this information to Mr. Austin. But when they asked strictly to Mr. Austin, he sang like a parrot. He told everything. So Hari Balu, CEO of the Matrix system, was taken into custody now and charged with sedition. Today, Hari is serving his life sentence in a high security prison. When the Interpol searched, then all the allegations are true, and now Hari Balu was in a prison for the life sentence. It means full lifetime prison. His dreams shattered, his family socially ostracised, and his country ashamed of him. Now his family is very shamed of him, and socially distracted. People always passes comment on them. A worthy citizen and his bright future has been lost to a man's indecent haste in achieving success. Now his all career is lost, now his all position is lost, all dreams are lost. In fact, his family is also lost. So only Hari is having a little patience and perseverance. Then this condition never he got this condition. So this is the story about the patience and perseverance. We are always having a patience and perseverance. So the moral of the story is have patience and perseverance. And one more moral is there, कर्म करो लेकिन फल की इच्छा मत करो. ठीक है. And reality bite is also given on page number 19. Nobel laureates Marie Curie and Pierre Curie worked carelessly for nearly a decade in small laboratory till they discovered radium in 1902. Madame Curie discovered the radium in 1902. So he worked 10 years on that in the laboratory. They are not having money and resources, but they never give up the hope. Their patience won them immortality in the field of scientific research. And this is the big research in the field of chemistry, the invention of the radium, which is done by the Madame Curie. So this is the story of the Hari Balu. I hope you have enjoyed this story. So here I am ending the story. On the next video, I will give you the exercise and question answers. Till then, you can read this story, and I think it is a quite interesting story. So again, you can read it. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.